Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you are safe and sound. I am Maisha. I am student of Scientist English Care. Today I would like to represent a map. Have a look please. Now I am describing the map. Starting point. First you have to walk 500 meters along with the main road towards north. Then you will get Pasmatha Mode. Then you have to turn right. On the road, at first you will get a park beside the road on your left side. Then you will get a police station beside the road on your left side. This time you also see GPS beside the road on your left side. Other hand, you will get LBP school beside the road on your right side. Before reaching the station, you have to turn left and walk again 100 meters towards north. Then you will get stadium beside the road on your left side. Thank you.